Hi guys, good morning. So this is the mic, DJI mic mini. So I show you how to connect this one to the GoPro 13. Okay, let's do this. So this is the DJI mic mini transmitter. This is the power button and this is the sync button. So let's turn on the GoPro 13 and slide it down and that's this paired here. Turn on your mic and it goes right away, and touch it. Oh, this, if it's blue, it means it's sync. So there is, guys, you can see the indicator. Check, testing 1 2 1 2 testing. So as easy as that. When you see it's blue here, that's meant it's synced to your GoPro 13. Only one transmitter can connect through Bluetooth. So there is it, guys. Thank you and enjoy.